Wrote another love song, baby, about you. Drinking without you, and then it like this. It goes like this. Oh. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Love Song by Why Don't We. Very easy song, we're playing it without the capo. We're going to be using major chords mostly. So we have an F for the first chord. And then we go to D minor. This is the only minor we have. And then we have a B. And then C. Alright, so B is basically A, but instead of playing it in second fret, you're playing it in third fret and then you bow the first fret, alright? And the rest of the chords, you can find them in my chord video if you want to learn how to hold them. It's in the description below. Otherwise, yeah, let me show you the strums. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, so down. Let's do that together. There's down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So, sorry. And then you change. And that is pretty much it for the whole song, guys. There is no bridge where the chords change. Hold on. Yeah, there isn't. It's the same chords throughout the verse, the bridge, the chorus. It's all the same. So yeah, do learn this song because it's a good one for acoustic players. Even if you're playing electric, the strats, it's good to learn these switches because they are, you know, pretty dope. So yeah, that's been it for this video, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.